Ever wanted a Dyson-grade device to curl your ears? No? Huh. Well, too bad. Apple has just released their latest and greatest Vision Pro AR headset. Costing a mere $3,500, many were worried that it would create strain on your neck, but nobody suspected that Apple was planning ahead and that their goal was actually to curl your ears. Here you go, Tim Cook, I figured it out for you. That's right, folks. If you look at the marketing materials available online, you'll see that even their models have something going on with their ears. Some of the lucky few who managed to get their heads into the helmets early have reported that ear pain is excruciating after wearing the set for just 30 minutes, while others with anatomically correct Apple ears had no issue whatsoever. If you own one of these, how's it going ear-wise? It's been 4 years since The Last of Us Part 2 rolled out, making it the perfect game for the pandemic. People trapped at home, scared of the unknown, while killing fungi-infested hordes of zombies. Yay! So it's just about time for a remake of The Last of Us Part 2, not the pandemic. God no. What's new in the game? Controls now let you use full range of DualSense controller functions and even guitar mode. 4K resolution, brighter light, smoother graphics, and all those shenanigans you normally get from a remake. And of course, the so-called Horde mode to let you polish your game skills even further. Are you gonna be buying the remake? Let us know. Want more survival games? Well, I hope you're ready to wait a little bit longer for this one again. Stalker 2, Heart of Chernobyl, has been further delayed till September this year. There are no exact reasons stated, but I hope we won't fall into the cyberpunk unfinished game release situation. When was the first time you played Stalker? It's one of those questions that really reveals your age. For example, I've never played Stalker. Microsoft Gaming is planning to release exclusive titles on competitor platforms as a goodwill gesture after acquiring Activision Blizzard earlier last year. With so much power in hand, this move is very interesting. Almost makes me wonder if there's some kind of chess strategy plan behind it. Meanwhile, Microsoft's CEO said, "We think that now we have the ability to do what we always set out to do, which is build great games and deliver them to folks across all platforms, which is Xbox and consoles, the PCs, and now even including mobile gaming and cloud gaming." And that's what it sounds like they're gonna do. For now, at least. Additionally, it's worth mentioning that Microsoft is not stopping here. They have big plans of making sure that their streaming service is available on anything that can connect to the internet and stream video games. That must be including competing consoles like PlayStation and Nintendo. Is that the chess move I sense in here? Let's chat in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, or Microsoft will buy all game studios before you know it. That's all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name's Alex, and this has been your ShareByte News. It's our first episode back after the new year, so why not hit that like and subscribe button to celebrate, and let us know that you missed us, because we missed you guys, especially you. Yeah, you right back there. I missed you specifically, but not the guy next to you so much. Don't tell him. I didn't really miss him at all. But you? Good to see you.